How to remove someone from Life360 Circle. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. To start the process of removing someone from a circle in the Life360 app, let's dive into the steps. First of all, ensure that the Life360 app is up to date before proceeding. Within the app, locate the specific circle you wish to make adjustments to using the search bar. And it's really crucial to confirm that you have chosen the correct circle to prevent any unintended actions. After selecting the appropriate circle, proceed to the settings section within the app. Within the settings, look for the circle management option, which allows you to oversee the members and configurations of the circle. It is really essential to navigate the settings carefully to maintain the integrity of your circle structure. Within the circle management section, you will find various options related to the managing your circle. One of those options includes the ability to delete the circle members. It's worth mentioning that if your circle currently has no members within it, the option to delete members may not be visible. By clicking on the delete member option, you can choose a specific individual you wish to remove from your circle. So by following these steps and selecting the member you want to remove, you will successfully eliminate them from your circle, adjusting your circle's composition according to your preference. These actions ensure that your circle reflects your desired connections and permissions accurately. By concluding these steps, you have efficiently completed the process of removing someone from your circle within the Life360 app. Remember, for more informative content such as this, remember to engage with us by liking and subscribing for future updates and insights on similar topics. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.